Tana, I'm going to show you a snowman.
Come on then.
Here's the snowman. A daddy one and a mummy one, and I'll show you the igloo now.
Show me the snowman.
That's the mummy one, and that's the daddy one. Now I'm going to show you the igloo.
Okay, show me the igloo.
Get a picture of Heather in the igloo, but with this. Oh.
Here's the igloo now.
Okay.
What's that?
Hello.
Hello.
Could you show me your igloo? Tell me about it.
You've got two little seats in it and it's very big. And me and my dad made these two bits. This bit isn't finished, but this bit is.
Alright.
And we've made it on the grass. That's the thing. The bell, it dings and it makes a lot of noise.
You show me how that works then?
Ding dong!
It's
It
alright.
makes a noise.
Ding dong.
Bing bong. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
It's nice to meet you now, but it's time for you to go. I hope you can come and watch us soon. Bye. Bye. Bye.